Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fishing carts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Berkeley Collapsible Fishing Cart. The catch of the day, or our choice for the best fishing cart around, is the Berkeley Collapsible Fishing Cart, which delivers on a variety of fronts to ensure you are fully packed and fully organized for your next fishing trip. It supports loads up to 200 pounds and comes complete with 6-rod removable holders and a fold-away cutting board for when you reel in your first catch. The high-capacity size is enough to carry a 48-quart cooler full of food and drink, while the collapsible design ensures simple, straightforward storage when you're not using it or transporting it to your destination. It's durable too, but perhaps not as durable as we'd like it to be. The frame is tough, but the fabric gives us a slight worry that it could tear too easily if not taken care of or caught on something sharp. However, it's still easy to push or drag, and the vast storage space means we can look past it for now. For more amazing fishing gear, check out our guide to the best saltwater fishing rods. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Muscle Cart's Blue Marine and Fishing Cart. If you're looking for a versatile beach fishing cart, the Muscle Cart's Bluefish and Marine Cart is a fantastic option to consider for the next time you head out. This jumbo-sized choice provides plenty of space for rods, chairs, coolers, and more to ensure you're never left without necessary gear. It's easy to either push or pull, and the low-pressure tires are perfect for softer ground to make it a comfortable journey to the shore. The sturdy aluminum frame also ensures reliable performance, and it can carry as much as 220 pounds, so feel free to pack it full of all the beers you can find. If you choose this cart though, we'd advise you keep an eye on the tires, as they may need to be inflated more often than other options. Be sure to also check out our guide to the best fishing bobbers for more amazing products for fishermen. At number 3, we have the Plus One Cart Pier Fishing Cart. The Plus One Cart Pier Fishing Cart comes with 6 rod holders and an expandable flatbed to maximize space without seeming too bulky and cumbersome. The intelligent design makes it easy to store all your gear, including tools and additional cargo, while also being large enough to fit an ice chest to ensure your drinks stay refreshing all day long. It hauls as much as 300 pounds of gear, and the telescopic handle makes it easy to maneuver, whether you want to push or drag. The yellow wheels are clear and easy to identify, while its rust-resistant construction ensures longevity. The wheels are suitable for solid ground, but won't hold up too well on soft sand, so if you prefer to head to the beach for your fishing, there are more reliable options out there. You may also like some of the best fishing nets from our list, so be sure to check them out. At number 2, we have the Sea Striker Beach Runner Deluxe. The Sea Striker Beach Runner Deluxe is a large fishing cart designed for those days when you're out from sunrise to sunset. It comes with pneumatic wheels for greater control over a variety of terrains to ensure easy transportation wherever you go, while the ergonomic handle allows for easy navigation. Inside, there's enough space for a 54-quart cooler, while still having enough space to include the rest of your fishing gear too. The multiple fishing rod holders are perfect for group fishing sessions and make it easier to move everything at once and minimize the amount of trips you need to take to and from the car. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gorilla Cart's Fish and Marine Cart. Sometimes you can just tell a product is tough from the name, and the Gorilla Cart's Fish and Marine Cart does just that. It boasts a rugged and robust aluminum frame, which combines with all-terrain wheels suitable for all environments and conditions to provide a versatile product you can use at sporting events as well as fishing. As for storage, this fishing wagon has 8 removable rod holders and a foldable bait tray and can carry loads not exceeding 200 pounds. There are also slots for your lures and tools like fishing pliers that allow easy access for when you want to cast a line or make some quick repairs to ensure high performance all day long. It's easy to store and easy to set up once it arrives at your door. However, while the tires can roll comfortably over whatever terrain you come across, they aren't as durable as others and may be prone to damage. The rest of the cart is reliable though, so as long as you don't smash it against the ground, you should get along fine. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.